Hello there. Welcome back to our channel. Whether you're a beginner just starting your musical journey or a seasoned musician looking to sharpen your skills, understanding the key of a piece is essential. So, stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to confidently identify the key of any song and unlock a deeper level of musical appreciation. Let's get started. If a piece begins with a key signature of 1 flat, you might assume that it is in F major, but the key signature alone is not enough to determine the key of a piece. It can indicate either a major or minor key. To find the key of a piece, first check the key signature, then check the beginning and end of the piece for characteristic scale degrees. The last note of the melody usually ends on first degree of the key. Typical patterns at the end are 2-1 OT, 7-1 in the melody, and 5-1 in the lowest sounding voice or the bass. Confirm this key by checking the beginning and end of the melody and bass line. The melody begins on first degree, F, and ends with 3-2-1 in F major, while the bass begins on first degree and ends with 5-1. Both clearly express the key of F major. In contrast, look at the Bach invention excerpts given in this example. This piece also has a key signature of 1 flat, but the notes at the beginning and end emphasize D, not F. The melody begins in D in both voices, both lines, and it ends with 3-2-1 to D in the top voice and 5-1 to D in the bottom voice. The piece is not in F major, but in D minor. Minor keys will be discussed in the next lessons. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on identifying the key of a piece in music theory. We hope you found this information valuable and that it empowers you in your musical journey. Remember, understanding the key of a piece is like having a secret key to unlock the emotions and meaning hidden within music. It's a skill that will undoubtedly enhance your musical experience. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow music-loving friends. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. Before we sign off, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and have that notification bell turned on, so you'll be the first to know when we release our next exciting music theory lesson. Trust us, you won't want to miss it. Thank you so much for joining us today. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to see you in the next lesson. Keep making beautiful music, and until next time, take care.